Hello friends, today we're going to talk on a very important topic, and we're going to do an unboxing of a product which would help you with it. So that is about diabetes, and the product I'm going to unbox is this Accu Chek guide, which is a glucose monitor that you can actually take a little test at home and keep tabs on your glucose levels, and then you can also use it to sort of export it to an app, like export the results, and then export the results as a PDF through the app, and then get your doctor to review it if necessary. So let's begin. You're watching my channel Tech with Steve, and my name is Steven. So let's do the unboxing. I'll put this on the side for now, and don't forget to watch the video in full, guys. I have a giveaway for this video, and at the end of the video I will let you know on how to participate. So when we open the box, there's a little pouch and some instruction manuals, which I've already gone through to see how the product works, so that we can I can give you a better demonstration on how it works. So I'll put this aside and I will open the pouch. So when you open the pouch, you have a little pouch with a small device, and you can see there's a lancet. Now I'll just show you. I'll take it out of the pouch, turn it on. So that is the device, and that's a lancet. That's a lancet. So that is the little pricking thing, so you can use it to prick a little prick your finger, and then you can use the blood on the test strip. Now it comes with a little cartridge in here, so usually you get 6 in one, and you can use it to sort of prick your finger. Now I'll give you a tip. I spoke to a nurse, and she said you can use it up to 3 times before you change the needle to the next. Now this is a fast click, so all you have to do is just flick the switch and it will change the needle. You can do that 6 times, and it's safe to use a needle 3 times if this device is only used by one person. If you share this with some other family member or someone else, make sure you change the needle every time by flicking the switch, and you should use a new needle every time. Now this is the little cartridge box, which is 200 lancets. It costs $33 Australian, where I am in, and this is the test strips that I will be showing you. It's 100 test strips in a box. Usually it retails for around $44, but in Australia, if you have signed up for the NDSS through your doctor, then it's $1.20 for 100. Now we will do the test. After that, I'll show you how it exports the results and see if it's more beneficial for you. So I'll turn this device on, and when you open this box for the test strips, you will see something like this, a little box, 2 of these, and if you see inside it, there's some test strips. Now there are other products in the market, and you might find it a little bit cheaper and things, but what I've researched and found out that this has a lifetime warranty in Australia, and also it has different types of warranties all over the world. It is the most accurate result that you would get in terms of just after your lab test results. So when you do a lab test, and if you get a certain result, this will be the next closest that you would get as terms of accuracy is concerned. Now let's do the test. So all you have to do, they said that it's really pain-free, and I do vouch for it. All you got to do is just hold it on your fingertip on the side and just click the button, and when you click it, you'll see like a little drop of blood. Now I'm gonna put it at the bottom of the strip here, so I'll put it here, and you'll see it says remove finger and it's testing, and within a few seconds it will give you a test result. Now once you get the test result, you have an option to add a comment, so where you can sort of put whether it's before meal, after meal, or whether you're fasting. So I haven't had my dinner yet, so I'm gonna put before meal, And once you do that and then you go okay, you see it says connecting to my phone and it's sending the results. I'll get my phone. Now it's very easy to sort of get rid of the strip. You don't have to pull it out. All you gotta do is press the button on the side here, and it's just pretty straightforward. So that's the strip. You chuck it in the bin. The strip is only a one-time use. However, you can use each syringe for 3 times, and obviously the device, it takes some batteries, but it comes with the battery in it. Now I'll just get my phone and I'll open up the app for you just so you can have a look how it looks. So you can download this My Sugar app. Now it wirelessly connects to your phone and all the results are saved here. So if you see, that's how the app looks. And if I go on today, so that's how I have entered it. It shows that it's entered. And now from this app you can sort of export the results as a PDF file and then either print it out or either send it via an email to your doctor to further review, and they can help you control your blood sugar. Now this is a really handy thing. It's in a very small travel pouch, so you know, if you see, all of this can just be fit in here and it's very easy to carry around. Guys, if you really have any friends or family who sort of are suffering from high blood sugar or any sort of sugar related issues, I would recommend this device. I have 3 different types and this was the closest I got in terms of results to my lab test. So I did all on the same day and at the same time. I have 3 different devices. One's the Accu Chek, and then I wouldn't name the other 2 brands. But if you compare the 3 results, this is the most closest. It turns out to be a very small handy pouch. Now guys, we're going to talk about the giveaway that I have. As I mentioned before, this is not a paid gig. It is completely independent review. So what you see here, what you hear from me is 100% independent advice. So I have not been paid or I'm not getting anything out of Accu Chek. So just be rest assured, I'm not trying to sell you something. Now, as a giveaway, I'm gonna give you these things as a giveaway. Obviously a brand new meter and unopened brand new sealed lancets, which is this little cartridge. It has 200 in it. So if you use 200 times each cartridge has 6, so you're looking at 1200 syringes, and it's up to you if you use it 3 times or not per syringe, but you can use this for 1200 times. And I will give you 100 of the test strips with it along with the machine. And so this is my giveaway to you if this video gets 5,000 views. So all you need to do is like, share and subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below on how this is going to help you or your family member, and you are in it. At the end of 5,000 views of this video, I will do a random pick using a comment picker website, and I will get in touch with you and send this across. No matter where in this world you are, I will send this to you. So guys, please share this video if you like it, and I hope you've liked today's review. Please like, share and subscribe, as it does help the channel and it does keep me motivated to do more videos for you. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe.